Hello teachers and partners, this is my interview about the presentation. Okay, about me. My full name is Vanessa Tatia Furtado. I'm 27 years old. I live in Barranquilla and actually I'm a teacher. My purpose for this semester is to improve my skill, my speaking skill, my listening skills, and try to be better in all the activities that I have in the semester. Okay, I'm going to start with the interview that I'm Tida Viviana Pulido. Okay, the first question is, did you study English in another college university before enrolling at UNAC? Okay, the Viviana answer was, she said that she studied before in another English institute. She studied in the ELUD, Institute de Language de la Universidad Distrital, and she has done the Sena Virtual English course. And my answer about that question is that I'm studying in the Colombo Americano before. Another question is, how long have you been learning English and why? The Viviana answer, she said that she is studying English many years ago, and when she started her grade about 2 years ago, she has studied without interruptions. And my answer was, I have been studying English during 5 years ago because I really liked that second language, and when I finished my school, I studied English. That was the only degree that I wanted to study. Okay, I'm continuing with the question. Another question is, what skills or ability do you want to improve in this language course? Viviana answered, she thinks all skills are important and she wants to have an integral knowledge. And I think that the skill that I need to better or improve is the listening skill. Another question is, which production skills, writing and speaking, do you find the most difficult? Okay, Viviana said that the most difficult is the speaking skill because it's an immediate and direct skill. And for me, I consider that is the speaking because it's not easy to put in order our ideas and obviously talk according with the grammar, and the pronunciation should be perfect for be clear. Okay, the last question is, which do you think are the advantages and disadvantage of learning English online? Okay, Viviana said, the advantage, you can use and check different materials, no place around the world without leave home. Also, you can manage time and schedules. And she thinks if you don't place your topic and schedule, it's possible that you don't have progress. And for me, the advantage to learn English online is that we have the time according to our personal schedules and focus just in that moment in which we are learning English. And the disadvantage, I think, is that sometimes we need to have the teachers near for at least some problem with the grammar or maybe the pronunciation. And the last question is, what would you propose to make the English program better? Viviana said the speaking sections are so good that she would like maybe grammar sections where we receive more specific topics about the course content. And for me, I purpose to have more times in the sections of speaking for increase the speaking skill and to ask the teachers about some difficulties that maybe we could have during the semester. Okay, teacher, that was all about that interview. Thank you. Bye-bye.